In this video, guys, we are going together to the Aquapark in Nessebar. We're in Aquapark!
I am so afraid of heights. We just scream so much.
I'm so afraid about everything.
I was screaming so much.
Let's just watch together this video and having fun.
Let's go!
I'm good, very good right now. Thank you so much.
Look at us.
We finally made it.
We made it. Wow. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, it's filming.
No.
It's filming.
Okay.
We're in Aquapark. I'm so excited. Right now we're going to the pink one. It's super high, so it takes forever to go up, but it's worth it.
Hey.
I'm scary. So I want to show you guys how this slide looks. This is a huge line. So we're staying in the line probably already 45 minutes. Yes, after 1 hour we will be right now next.
I'm thinking I feel level 1 because this looks so easy.
Okay.
It's the pink slide.
So much fun, but level like 0. Okay, 1. But it was funny. It was funny. But 1 hour waiting for 1 hour.
Let's see how long that ride was.
In Nessebar right now, Aquapark, and so far it's so funny. And this will be next slide, green one. Let's go.
Cobra, yeah.
Miley, do you want to visit Cobra?
Yes. That's scary. Because, look, see, it's very, very gradual, and then by the time it comes out, it's just a slide.
Quickly get out of that hole.
Okay, got it. Quickly get out. Let's do this.
I want more.
How do you guys feel?
I feel so good. I want more. I'm waiting for this 2 months.
Oh no! Oh no! Hold on! Ah!
Woo!
We did it!
Круто! Right now we're going to the Cobra.
Cobra!
So guys, I changed my mind and I didn't come to Cobra because after those blue one and the Cobra, I was screaming so much. So I feel like my heart kinda feel pain. So I decided to no. It's enough stress for today. said that I'm changed mind about. So we come to have some drinks.
We'll see if it's free because the hotel receptionist said that there are some drinks that are free for us. We just
Okay.
have to check.
We should ask. First day over. Day number 2.
At the water park.
We staying in the line for the Cobra slide.
I just want to say that we already staying in the line in about 20 minutes.
For about 20 minutes. Yeah, you're right. I think on average we should expect to wait maybe 30 or 40 minutes for each ride. So it's 11 o'clock. They turn everything off around 5. So I think we have enough time for just 5 rides.
5 rides. I wanted more. For 5,000 years of waiting, we're still waiting.
The lines are really long.
Ой-ой-ой! 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 Ой, боже мой! Wow! It was so much fun!
That was more fun with 2 people.
Yeah!
One person that was not as fun.
Yeah, it's true. So, how do you think? How much for fear scale?
Still 5.
Still 5? Okay. For me, probably 7.
Okay.
Cobra.
Yes.
Let's go together.
It's a lot better than the blue. It's so much easier than the blue.
You should film us.
No. Or you come with us. Come on.
You can come with us and film it. Давайте выпишем. We come second time for Cobra. King Cobra. Почему ты одна? It's 5 or 10 here. Yeah, but it's cool.
We're going on that slide.
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Whoa! Really fun. Let's do this again. Zebra black hole. Let's go upper. I wanna.
This is extreme.
This is extreme. Wow, I wanted this. Are you scary? Scary. I feel it. Yes. Ja, genau. It was not scary, right?
Okay, so who's going next?
Маля, it was scary? Страшно? Чуть-чуть. Чуть-чуть.
Wait, let's do one more. Wow, goodbye, paradise.
We live in Aquapark. It was amazing. Thank you, Paradise. Thank you, Aqua Paradise. da.